ye training ni fa wankasa wo ho bo afore it na Bible say we die daily okun ende bia okristo ne say de bia wo ma Kristo wo ho to ho brase mu ewu ade ho bo afore ma Kristo dia ye ka kire wiase nyina ne say Kristo sum aya yes Kristo na so na wo tie say emfa sum no so obia ma afore e ma ne ho on share obia da say obi nkotua tight e ma obi nse wo kotua tight na de am obi a na se wo say o ka je ne so Yakobon say won twa dudududu dia wa bo nipa no kro no wo san so atiatua e wo Yakobon so
television CK YouTube musha subscribe na yes adete YouTube musha muscoslice dey jefe what you ba logo akolo machine again gege mo fian o ba logo exclusive interview on television CK ebraso biem say ye de eba na ene no ye be read Bible mu mo nkomo aye be di no be hia say wo ye Kristonia utie ni years wo ye okrati asini krai so utie na ofemaba ko wenim I know said do na wo madwen kire amanfo from their point of view media the CK subscribe to television CK yaba yene sofo kofi inti ebedi nkomo second stay
EZTEC Building and Constructions. For your building construction and architecture designs, please contact EZTEC Building and Constructions on 0243 987 117 or 0204 510 800 or send them an email to graymarking@gmail.com. EZTEC Building and Constructions, your #1 construction firm.
Yaba back. Sofo transit na yenhwe de ekwe. Sofo bibia boko.
Rodi yesu adu bibia boko.
Good. Dia me pe wo ho ne se me busa adu bibia boko. I was Eradi Kristo adom. Bibia boko.
Enu enchire mu kakra.
Chire mu kakra.
The last version of the Bible. Was it Eradi yesu adom anka hotiefo nyina. Bible say enfa bi nka ho anyi bi mfiri mu. Enu ne twa to Bible. O say Eradi yesu, yen Eradi yesu adom anka ahotiefo nyina. Nti esuafo asmo mo ka to ho no. Oh, anu na ayese obia diso. Yenyi bi mfiri
Enfa bi nka. Enna Pentecost elder Meku one Sami Cooper nyumbi o say Eradi Kristo adom enka mo ho Eradi Kristo adom. Okay. You know say Bible mu anu no. Okay. Yanko enim kakra na me ba wakache a etietitia. Me pese ye hwe tight. Yaka tight a e wo Bible mu.
Tight wo Bible. Say atro tight na wo Bible mu. It is this year am say nchine wo Bible mu. Say nchine wo mu. Bible kasa bia wo mbi. Hen say okay say tight wo Bible mu, tight wo Bible mu.
Wona na ewo mu no. Ene ye bedi hu nkomo ne.
Ndaso.
Ena ye kan entosuo dudu.
No.
Kwa sorry I see tua ontosuo dudu. Na enye nchira ma wo. Ebe hia se ebe tua ye ntosuo dudu.
Emra wo ba bia. Se obi ase oti school krapo. Na se bia wo ye na ade bia afaso so a obi tumi sua no no wa ye bi. Ohun le mi chere no. Se obi o ya de edwuma wo ye kro obi betuma behwe no no so wa ye.
O ende di pa bebre kra ye.
Enti tight to de won aye de aye kasa na ye omo no de. Ane de obi betumi atua. Na mu sa say wo to school. So ho na se obi agi me fan say study fee. Yo obi ji no obi ni a sanfo so obi anim. No so obi ni ko wo mu no ogi study fee. Ano ya ni dia ho no wogi. Ana bia won so akohu na won so wogi bi. Different thing. Enti obi betimi atua nzududu e wo na adwuma mu ane ade. Na mo ye ka Kristosum dia. Kristosum a ane ye be Kristosum se ana Kristosum no tight wo mu ana se nim. So na pa so ohunu dia ana na ebe kom na mo tight ya won se ade no Bible mu se tight na dia. Ebi no betimi atua. Ana me so ana obi aye na adwuma no e constitution se metua tight ya se enha me. Ni no Bible mu dia eye Kristosum no eye Kristosum ye constitution. A process no a process what you know Romans, Galatians, Ephesians, common liberation no. Christianity no. When I say Christopher no, your constitution no. I didn't a guide. Oh, until no one ever says be a tight can one now. You know who fun in general, they will be able to make you tight. Who will be able to man, be more, who are workers now, guys will be entry and tight, mamma, and Fanquay, my dear. There, one case would no one say Christos tight, no, so many dear. And I can say Christos,
maybe. Say, it was maybe my imagine say, oh, Bosumi be a yena into so do you dues, oh, be a but
that in Ancasano. What do you mean to your tight? Oh, what do you mean no credit? What do you mean no credit to your tight? Oh, now, Eddie, went men in no crew. Who cost or went men in no quarry? No cobaby, the minions of being away, we are almost saying, so went to men in no cry, yes, and say, won't you? I know, I went to men in no credit. When no credit, I want to me, and it just a monkey's move for. To oh dear, Opa, fast off for 10, and I said 20 club, catch as a one would meet your tight on no crew. What I say? No crew, and no crew, one would meet your tight. So, your crystal leap, what kind of crowd was what kind of crowd? Who know over catching all? Over pet. Baby, the Huaco says, and yes, she. Then I kiss us when you see him. Yamaswing, Yamra, until your first thing on. And son of Chrysostom, so your fat and come, or Chrysostom. You tell it, your dear Chrysostom party, tight to come.
Bible, he found your tross said, tight in come.
Who say, ye, Bible in this own disorder. Say Chrysostom ni Bible redado. Chrysostom ni Bible redada. Bra, I was someone in the manamache, you ask fire and coupon free Abraham. Oh, Abraham. Abraham was a promise. So said that chain, Yankupon Bay at the Fufra, and we are saying now, so much would deal Kunimua. So when I was someone near him for no prepare, that will be a different say, Abraham Yankupon, a young Yankupon, dear. And over my rabbi, we are saying now, Besson. Only me, until the kiss or some dear, Nancy and a kiss or some eba. So, a blood, a dear tatty who did can't come once a month. Abraham who did can't tatty once a month. Oh, now tatty are okoeno, or no, or share Yankupon, or no share bonus, or qua, oh, Nania, Obenebiano, Obetium, Bubumudu, so, no, dear judge to do. What I had you, Okoeno, Okopa for them, what they call him, or the command Melchizedek. No, Melchizedek, he was the God of the priest of the Most High God. The priest of the Most High God. And the priest were there. Priest, you know, I know about for you. So, no, at the mount. Or yet, maybe the amount. The decano. First, no, be about for them, man, to say Adam, no, about for them, man. And the Kenny Abraham for them, Cockmo said. A true baby, no, and obey the family head. Say Noah, but for the ma, one, we know, and then you just be, but over for the whole family.
Okay.
So there's a head of the, and about for it. It is affordable here, Yankupon. Affordable in Yami. Say, ye be a sacrifice. Fine. And she, Yankupon for Abraham. Abraham was just a mere man. Abia, on no one years of four when you see. Any Yankupon a friend, so oh, free the papa fee, sir, on call, no veterans as here, not what Nassau. And Abraham, you don't know Yankupon, you know, Yankupon when see Abraham so for. Why, you know, Abraham, no, we know, or the Naforia no command, we make it a no for your man, or the border for your man. But as make it a bar for your man, we say, and near my unya, and on one can say, Che Mutu. No, or they come out, because they say, for their mammy. To send you a key. Oh, I didn't name a couple for any coupon. But, oh, and I ever so didn't name a couple for any coupon. Until Yacopon, a duna, or no Abraham Philippum, a ye, a command, because they can all for them, Yacopon a dear. Your boy for any man. What I say? Actually, only Yacopon a catcher. Abraham said, all for the Banco for ye. Just Yakupon Abraham Quanso or more for it. So, let us say the beginning, no, Abraham and his family, no. Oh, what me buff for ye, what me see with na name buff for ye. But you would your Abraham to me see the bush and the bush and a buff for ye, and Yakupon. oh nti afi niema na odi ba afore ne se ne awoye we se no de ne nemu ye hun se Isaac no osesa no odi udwan ro ana oboye ano na Jacob osonso Jacob anso ka hye Yakopon bo se me sonso me kwa metri me kora se me ba ye menye bia be gumu ono kan yo na nya emra na nya emra se Yakopon na ahye ne nipa firi obu firi obu pem cause na Abraham no efiri nipa mu ebo afore se oyimu edu nti ono wanka ntra de na Abraham ye no so nti o se ono so bebu mudu no so obu mudu no so bo afore odi obu afore no Yakopon agi na affordable fine yanti 30 ho asem bi abiu is a for kwasum 430 years yanti 30 ho asem kwasum okoyi wo mu no efiri Misraim odo mo baaye no na afei oka say Israel is my firstborn na ehia say afei Yakopon be ne constitution no de ama wo etini ohia daily sacrifice daily say de bia ebo for de ama wo Yakopon hwe nipa bebrebe ye ka say obi abo na for ya ebe de enti ono no Yakopon yi abusua ba ko pe efe ni Levi abusua say Levite so abusua ni yedumienu the 12 tribes so o masefo na ye Israelfo Reuben, Simon, Levi, Judah, Dan, Naphtali, Gad, Asher, Issachar, Zebulun, Joseph and Benjamin. Ano Yakopon yi Levi, Reuben, Simon, Levi. Say, who na dissolve for mommy? That's it. Enti lipadudu ni nyina buso ni nyina fore no na obebo. That's it. Enti ana fore no so aye ebo no oja ni num da bibia. So enti
fore jani ndum.
Bibia ye wo ayi temple ni mu no. Aye we say enum eja no num kande ni num fore buchia na kase ja no enum. Oh ni nyina be kira se. Enum da. Enti enum da yi fo na be ye. Enti ne wo Nyankopon ayi ni ku abusua ku ba ku se omo na anya hu adwuma. Enti omo kwa na fo omo sofu. Ado wutie. Omo
anya me nko a wiase itie.
Wiase nyina itie me da ase. Oho. Enti omo na fo omo sofu. Wo ye Israel nya wo nya sofu. So wo nya sofu. So wo man ya fe ni Israel mu a first ne dia. Se nya wo nya Lewi nya wo nya sofu. Ase ehye no so. Wunye Lewi nya wunye sofu so ye sofu dia na ye sofu wo amamamu sofu se nyame bi na nya wo abusum wo ta se busum bi aba fore enti wo ye sofu ma busum bi oni Israel memu na Israel fore ye mfre obi asofu e kan Lewi fo nko ahụ enti sa fore ya ye ba bobo de bia yi de bia yi ombo hwele Yakopon yi omo se omo ma fore ma wo omo nko ba bia enti Onyankopon fi nipa mu ancha sase ama won se mo nkodo mu de munye sei so se de bia mo benya kwan na mayewe se obi adwuma na se obi tra office a on chocho ni ama adwuma na ekoso ni nyina no compound wo ni obi machine wo ni obi ono de chocho na no chocho bo so
Levi ebusua no Onyankopon yi omo si wo se omo nya sofo ti kua yo omo nka ho
mi bia
ye ko ha yo omo nka ho
omo nya adwuma bia enti no mo amoye edu ba ko na aka na busua edu ba ko no mo ni mo nipa ma busua mo nkoda no mo mpanimfo nyina mo ye adwuma wi a obia ho ne Yakopon ye ne mmara se di obenya bia no chemu edu don ne fa ba ko ko ma Lewifo no
kona into so dudu no
ahona ye mmara fi Lewi go so na be ye mmara Abraham fi nipem Jacob fi nipem but Lewi fo no dia be ye mmara awo Israel fo no be ye Yakopon hye ne mmara se muntua ntutu dudu won tua me no wafom me ebi se odwuma na omo ye adwuma na amame no nti akatua me de mo no me je afiri mo ho na me de atua wo muka because I feel na okwakoye no me ne me hira me fo na ye kase that's it me so de bi die no me Nyankopon so afọrọbọ na hia me me de na afọrọbọ na hia me e bi didi no wo akokra bi ofie na wahwe mo nyina wie na mo na mo ho no mo na wo yɛ aduane no amane bi ani ane ne beje eti Nyankopon wo si aduane na e bi bo afọrọ ani ono na wo twusu Nyankopon yi de yɛ hye mfama no na enyi hwam ma no ansa na de mu lewi for no so mo mundi eti ani nyina Nyankopon na ahyehyɛ enti embra wo ho Nyankopon na ahyehyɛ da hyehyɛ munyi wei hwɛ apomadaka no ene ho ne ma nyina wona obi koso mu a efra to obi koso mu a wo wuye no because won ka ho yɛn hye wo sɛ koso apomadaka no mo koso mu ayɛ dɛ Nyankopon okum no wo de kyerɛ sɛ nasɛm yɛ nasɛm okum no eti efiri wo nyina de ayɛ mmra eti lewi ni bia nya adwuma da sɛ okoyɛ ono na adwuma da bi ye wo wa na ha sɛ ni training wa from 30 years na utimi ye asofu dwuma kyɛ sɛ no wo hu enti omo de tora ni bibia ye kyekere wo kyɛ sɛ omo so ye kyerɛw te sɛ ne wo okrom a wo kɔ okrom a binu ho ye training wo mpa amamre no wo hye sisi a ahwe bi twa uti wo mo hwe amamre no enti yida enti lewi fo de ye hye da kyerɛw ma amamre ankasa ɛwɔ asofudie no ho asofudie ho Ghana ha obi abetuma ye teacher obiara betuma ye teacher so onko kyerade
e bi sɛ okɔ school
okɔ school enti Israel fo no nye obiara na ye sofo aka lewi fo nko a wo ne train won so mu ni sofo
okay enti omo na Nyankopon hye mmra sɛ edwuma obiara bɛyɛ ndɔbaye a wobenya den a wobenya nyina no munkyem du mo baako
saa te sɛ
na enei asofo nso eje tight a wo sɛ enye
ani enti be ma tight to ye de kra ne sɛ Solomon wu achi no Jeroboam ahini mu no chiche mi no the Northern Kingdom no Jeroboam oye sika na ntwiba kaje sɛ Israel fo mu Nyankopon ni no na je sɛ Nyankopon bufu yi that's apostate ono na o hyehyɛ mmra sɛ de wa apɛ sɛ odi sɔfo obiara bedi bi mentimi me pɛ sɛ me kai wo hɔ no ansa de ma obiara tumi sɔfo no no Nyankopon na ka sɛ obiara ni sɔfo wa sɔfo no di abonya na
sisu biem hɔ no sisu biem
ɛhɔ yɛ 1 Kings chapter 12 from we can fit it now Jeroboam no you know sika na ntwiba no na ɔto ne din sɛ ɔka sɛ Israel we ni Nyankopon na woyi mu firi Misraim bae so ana yɛ bɔne ma wo na hɔ na ɔno ɔpɛ mu na ɔka sɛ wa apɛ sɛ odi sɔfo biara bedi ndi osisi asɔfo a wɔn nyɛ lewifo
why no
Jeroboam ɛyɛ Solomon ne ba
ono no pay mu ka sɛ afi kra de nyame ka sɛ levi for de sisi obi a opɛ sɛ odi sɔfo biara bedi
nti ya kyerɛ nti hona asofudie asofudie a ɛtrɛ no a obi afi hona hwɛ ase 1 Kings chapter 12
ko wani me
to na hwɛ ase afi de aja ade wukum na ntwi a wunya bewe le bitri ya sa ji to so sa de amount na ye we say enti si e kasa asofuku a asofu kwaku a aboni ni ade ba na ho na start you first ni yanka asofu ye boni asofu enti e kai bi asofu ya trofo aye we say ya ne woni lewi fo abusua o ne Nyankopon ne woni lewi enye woni lewi asofu na nya woni wo manya o oni asofo na akro no nti enam wie nti won bɛda wo ho sofo no wo ya ma men kan bi nkyerɛ wo Hosea 6:9 Hosea chapter 6 verse 9
sofo kofi nti na ene no din komo exclusively on television CK and odintremu ba o say tight utia a broad way to hell as it trade say na kwan kakra wo fa so de akoto bonsem gem se ya chem na wahye odimu ntremu ba bebi edu no obekenkan bibi ma yehu se de tie wo tro kronkron nim enti eno ana ekoso no on subscribe to this particular channel subscribe me the CK subscribe to television CK na yenko yenim won hyehyɛ ahodo nim
Hosea chapter 6 verse 9
Says verse 9 no na wo kan.
I na make kind.
Okay.
What's it? As a troops of robbers wait for a man, so the company of priests murder in the way by consent, for they commit lewdness. Oh, I wonder what they play with catcher almost say. Send your crowfo be a trio. A cockle to crown, a deep of force cannon. You're from armed robbers, no. Sana, I saw free, I may be a friend, won't we? Oh, son, a friend, won't we? No one can take company, a company with it. Company. Woman also sleep behind him. But almost the other day, they'll rob you by consent. What is consent? One have been yaba. Over that one can say, well, yaba. Wow. So, share and then, sorry, so for a man put from bag. Over 30 50 million, over cast one per coins. From 40, sir. Me call baby, over 30, 50, 40, 20. Over pass, what can say one pair? One city after the coins, never man put from bag. Sanka, a question I said, I'm over Asia, what can say a crown for me? Also, from the on your crown for. Was it by consent? Was it only a pet? None about Bonica, also when I a pepe. But oh, men are mature about we. Well, one cast out the neck of an account anymore. And what you was sorry, a company. And a what church of robbery, bribery, you know about woman kind. That ever bustle. Now, my church, 3 churches in him. You were church of bribery. Oh, one bribery. Who me says, see, I hope baby, I make you say, my Miss Campan come and coupon. And your bribe. And your bribe. So, oh, baby, see, I catch you say, oh, open a hotel, bush and phone, open a coverage, you know, my 50 million, go who coupon says, yeah, one Saturday. And your bribe. No, and your bribe. Yes, share Babu Ninty, yes, share Babu Ninty. Is this a bribe? What does it? Who come messenger be a messenger be also, or could you people say abroad now say or you was also a bribe? Never. Now, who calls off was also so do or this common and coupon all day, and Sana or you, me pacho. Who tried the Indian farmer or bailed? So, what ton idea? Obation idea now, Conaman is cannot to unfad Nama or Obako. There's so food you discuss or ya diamond, yeah. Not none years go to your side of Mawana. Maybe so, okay, you can't. Was it the company of priests? Was it the mother in a way of consent? Maybe what? I want to be better. You can't at what obey me, be only acquire the entire mass of Woody year, then. When I can your soft prepare pa, what I say, then we can use beggarly element. Beggarly element, a quite of fossil nippon bano. Oh, when you saw a soft prepare pa, no, or you said the over can be a young poor bitty. Because on no sooner, or no bit, or no sooner would chase can between the communion coupon direct. Nina coupon so. Anyway, and so I knew you will be a catcher said, a quite of children want to me. I know. I know Clone Biano. Kakemo could last Macan Biano. But, oh, I tell you, one of you will be at me, will be at me, 2 minutes of no one started. So, okay. And she said, you can't. Is that for any dear, now upon the mouth will be tight. None of no now, or brand away. At him now, we are abonning in every year, no. And the upon share was say, Sir, as of dear and Cassano. Oh, a best system. So, a best system. And it is therefore conquer 70 years. A swing, not Daniel Cobon Paye, Simon Bonnie Archer. Daniel a shenkumbi a true Jose. Young papa, yes, you could so Bassa says to have no more. Obey you, maybe. Now, every true baby, no. Sacrifice and oblation will cease. Sacrifice and oblation will cease. Sacrifice a more affordable. I did be a show or she, yes, she, that's you come affordable a sacrifice. Oblation a correction, tithing, praises. I told praises, yeah, worship. A name a biara, a name a biara, yet so a bushmore. Send your wissy con in Mubiano, we we say enye bojasem enye we say no niema mo yema no eye oblation
o de wotontom nyame
wotontom no kwa ye oblation
ni nyina so betwa
Israel for de no esom na wo som no the type of oblation yakopon de ma won ene afore a wo de ma won etuo betwa so ne say Israel for som no a wo som no anya no na ewiase nyina besom no obarima Yesu Kristo de som be ba besi ho no mo a ewiase nyina besom enti eho ne mmra no eho ne mmra no eye different from Israel for no de no etia Bible no kan say say asofudie no asesa de a ese ho mmra no so sesa amen
enti Jesus Christ aba Jesus Christ e kan tight one asem
Yesu bae no bebi e kan tight one asem no ono na confuse we say no na me ka
wa convince one
convince asofo no nyina because sofo bia quotation a e kan sikasem sofo woni mu ade kura na Malachi chapter 3 verse 6 to 8 sofo woni mu ade kura no owi onko school dempo abayifo ya omatete aso de nyina ni sa quotation ntani ti asofo mpanimfo sa quotation wo mu nkan enti yakopon so ohia aforobo ni bio aforobo ni ade nwan ni ade bo no wan kasa fa ho bo afore ene obi amafore mo obi amafore mo obi abo ne bra enti ye ba Kristo sumu a ekwan afa so enye sika wo Kristo sumu no esuafo nhye to ho wo kan chapter 4 na fite sisi ko na wo se wo mu nyina wo mu ko hia mu a obi an kase we ye media we bi kase we ye media wo na obi a ho a kire sabre no bi ho ya pam na finifi awo aso ni nti enti no o se ebi no mo wo sa se kra ko 20 scan buy o mani gi ye chese ese ni nua so so e de be e benefit scan be ba so no mo
nti na chese o Kristo ni de enye se o ma onua ho kire no
debi
enye se o nko ana odidie
o ren kire wade etuatata ma so fo nko a oto aeropre member na o ko gi ni sika kra o de COVID-19 aya gi ama nkofo o aduma collapse asofo nsi yemuye wo no ko gi tight yemuye wo no ko gi tight because tight ni nhira wo mu na de be osoro fence
de be se edu baby kra na mobile money ye aduma nti
adaso ye aduma from day one first day na share na me hu say ko for tight card menam house to house almost security letters I remember I so wo mu wasafu mu na yi mpanimfo mo area ha mo nkoche tight card wa ha nkoche wo ha say and the next Monday penny hu all line say fit obi add mobile money ade atuja tight and offering
okay then now say utua tight a broad way to hell
they tell a broad way to hell no in the first place so oba kan kura wa wo hwɛ me utua tight Bible say do obenya bia kemu 10 mpacho mesre wo fo ne to Nyankopɔn anim wutime ye wonu wahye bo say de obenya bia obetua mu tight obeyi mu tusududu de di kan wutime ye second hwana ahye wo hwana ade no obi a odi na ade so wo ye ubie factory wo say begu ampa egu ye no bi so woni de woni adwuma bia nto obetena ho no ade pay on le mi chere na asase no wote so na obetena ho no ade pay a enya pro na abobo so bi twam aka chen say ha na me adwuma ma miska mebo a na nya kro no na wo bo no because adwuma na nkasa nkoso bio mebo a adwuma na nkoso bio adwuma na koso bio na pese wudidi hu de a e kro no etita ni tua no Bible na nkasa no akona wie Bible no say asofudie na asesa na wo say wo mu a na wo bewu no no mo get tight I didn't o ye dwuma wi a na wo wu a na wi a be hina nem but what yes kisa so fudie ne de yes wo nwu ye odine ho bo aforesi ho mai e na okosoro odine boja na kosoro ho no wote ho ma odi mai enti odi mai odine boja abafore na odi mai enti yes yinhia no enti se wo je obi tight enti wo bafore enti so won tuma amafore me boa so won tuma fa ho amafore me boa na ana wa ma obi aye boni nya unzu ama obi aye boni yo ade Nyankopon enhye wo enti se wo ye adwuma managing director na se won kan to bi so nko giska wo bi ho na se okokogye wa ye den
krono na wa bono
ya krono enti krono nya Broadway to hell krono nya Broadway to hell okay the so mienu no wane share wo sofo no sofo no o share sofo die so mo afore emfa mo onu Nyankopon no meboa e afore o mo afore emfa mo onu Nyankopon ro o dade no wo sofo awudi no o sofo awudi no afore be na wo bo wane frɛ wo se bra
Jesus Christ o kan tight ho asem
Yesu kan tight ho asem ba ko o ba bu no mu na mechiri man sa na mechiri mu no sofo bia ni tight ho quotation mienu and the sofo bayifo asofo ho asofo sa quotation because he is castle Malachi chapter 3 verse 6 to 10 what is it mo fa mo tutu dudu mo fa mra ma kwade mo na ni mu yo soro fence emfa ma mo waka kire hwan ono waka kire hwan sabre na Israel for no o ma restore from Ezra the time no na o mo konkwa so mo ye ka so mesi asoro fie ho o mesi we say no Ezra and or restore ye brain nti o mo restore so fudie no o mo na even the value point kwampa ye kan Israel for no mo na reveal and name bi nti o dia so fudie sisi ho ana o sisi ho ma no ni mra Hagar Hagar ekọ ho na so fune bi ekọ dipa na aden eho so no na Malaka ehye nkom se mo wia me nyame eye me na mo wia me o ya se asofu na me do mo si wo se o mo nya adwuma ma me no mo ntwe o mo ka enti one group of people bi na ekasa enti o de enfa no nto ana Matthew chapter 23 verse 23 Israel for 13 dey o mo de papa because that to there fact Ghana has says see as abanish mra say man ntwa tat aso bebrebegu and the begu natural anya won pam obi a do pa won pam no wonka say man ntwa tat o mo abeja aso ne ye because I didn't know money that so pa ye dey take asore no aye tight so if Jesus catch o mo say mo tua bibia mo tua mu tight Matthew 23:23 na so mo ja tentrene mo ja atentrene no
mutua tight
ni eme bibia mutua mu tight oni Israel for no bibia mutua mu tight this say ayemra ma wo so no ayemra no beto mutua tight ni wi a adoye emobrohu justice ni bibia no so na Matthew 2023 no so na wo ka mo ja ni nyina ato
se okoya otua ne tight ana o ene se metia wi gina bone ahodo nyina wo
bia wotimi ye o si sa mobrohu no ene se nka mo ye na obaako no nso munyae so no munya na okan no ma menkire wo mu sabre no Israel so no ebra o Nyankopon ka se so no bekunu wieye no na enkoe no mo da so sum o de so wo bue company na so o ka de company ni begu ebe se busumi nsia emu no adwuma emenye bie wo a etu ntua wo muka
obetua
wo ka che so mo munya adwuma ana eti ye ba so ne ehunu mbra na Nyankopon ka se ebegu no semre ni nyanso ye etinya Yesu ntimi nyina nka nche o so omunya etua ebra wo kan e de se wudi ni na o se asendua no so wo no o ka se enne o be kan mo paradise se ne Yesu nwu ye ne Yesu nwu nti Yesu sevu no ansa na ye mu Yesu na nka se ewu
nti ho ne de no onye nwu ye se wo ko wa hindi mu aka kai mi uda
na eso no ni end no eye Yesu Kristo ni wuo no so no ene Israel for sun ko hye o shefa Israel for sun no hu nyina ko na wieye enti Yesu wuyi na o sore ye no ni ye ware ni pafoforo a ye Kristo ri ne mra so enti mra Yesu Kristo ka kire wo mu se mamu nya etua no na Israel sun na enguye Acts chapter 7 verse 53 Stephen ka kire wo mu se mo Israel for asofo mpanimfo ka mu hu asoma me kan no mo ese nka mu hu no mu hu we Stephen asoma ka no Acts chapter 7 53 ebra o ka se Yesu on the just one no musina abo o se ne nyamo na mo ni Israel for mpanimfo asofo mpanimfo ese nka mu hu ayo hu na mi che no enti kan asofo mpanimfo o Ghana ha no eno mo ne se ko mu se Judaism no enti Christianity buy yes sir I didn't know mu wajai edwa na de ba for de wajai kene na so afie mo jai eni ma na jida for ne nyina motuma jai ne nyina because Yesu aba me bo a afie Argentina ne de wu Argentina ne tight ne de mu say eno ka ho eno ye oblation eno ye oblation obia fan this year on this year no one find the meaning of sacrifice and oblation now on can Daniel chapter 9 verse 27 26 and 27 what's yes Christ now over you say ho no what's it was at the point 490 years do obi abon e be che ne wiase e ho no obeka moa de yedi ne yedi because I be kire nipa dentas ni gina ho moa de yedi na Israel fo no gina ho ne yedi o ta say enti edi be me yehunu say Yakobon de obi abon e a che no that is what God was in Christ to reconcile the world unto himself already wo Christ mu e kan wiase nyina afam ne ho wiase afam from ho no and say or the ashansu be share obi ahunu say wa kan no yi kire colonials say moa de yedi ni de yeni wo kan bo mu ye say wo de sumba ko su a nipa nyina de ebe som senka Christopher mpanimfo ne hunu se esom na kono wieye ebra ye de pia no wo Yesu wo tiamu ela ramasa matani niti na wapae me eja unsam ana me de me honhom me hye ehwa na ntwobutamu ni motiye niti say God himself proof what the mark na so say esom no adu Daniel 78 week no osi wa hye 70 weeks no wo tiebu miensa 7 weeks so no which is 49 years and 62 weeks so no which is 143 woka obomu a 62 weeks no na ko 62 weeks osi 62 weeks ne pepe na Messiah no beba so no sabe na wo Yesu de na ye born Yesu no wo ye Messiah no 29 and a half years so no na Bible no say he will confirm the covenant with people for 1 week etina Yesu Kristo no wo ba be yegma 1 week Yesu asase so ba ha say enti adana wo ye Messiah no John bonus no o ka say we ni me do ba wo so mani no dan no ye Messiah anointed no he was anointed to be the Messiah first no dey na obia we carpenter ni ba ni ade a obubo so wie pepe no ye Messiah so I no share na djuma say efiri wo kono Yesu obe ye djuma 1 week pe 1 week which is 7 years 1 week near 7 years was it in the midst of the week shall Messiah be cut off amen enti 1 week in finfin na Messiah na yebeku no yekunu be pa na Israel force mu nyina kono wie yekunu Yesu Daniel chapter 9 verse 27 yekunu what I say eti epanimfo no Christopher epanimfo no yase nko mu hu sa de we no wo ma hu enti wo ma ja bi no mo ye bi de de no tat de de enti wo nyai
enti still omo nso mo tia tight ene omo mo je tight no asotwe be ne wo
okay na say yen share me boa say yen share wo de ma me wieli ehunu yen hwa de bi say we no te de Yakobon aka na yen fa compare ne yen hwe eti mo an yese mo hunu say Yesu e ba ye no som na gu no share foforo no yan asuafo na nkata ate ho asem asuafo no man nkata ate ho asem ho na aforebo na yebo ne de bia mo Yakobon na ehia no no ni ba ne ba ye no be ye den onu akasa de ne ho ye wodwan me boa Yesu Kristo de ne ho ye wodwan ana o say yes sofo me boa nti onu an kene de kum ne ho bo afore ye be boa so aye ti anti Bible say oba enswa na jabone so no ewo Ezekiel ni ade ewo epanfufuro na eba no omo hye ho kom bebre ho kom binu no anti Yakobon pese wa obia bo na fore e ma na nkasa ne ho anti in the New Testament no aforebo na na bia ye bo no Onyankopon si obi bia fa no ho nsuo se afore a etia se ne Yakobon ehwehwe eti ese wu de bia wu kill yourself every day for God. Romans chapter 12 verse 1. Romans chapter 12 verse 1. Pato menkai.
Dabi twaso.
12:1. Bible say fa wo si wo
kan.
Romans chapter 12 verse 1. Was it I beseech you you therefore brethren by the mercies of God that ye present your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and acceptable unto God, which is your reasonable service. So the Ojani Koba for ya, you show Ojani who say we need them as net number for it. So I am asking, Ama, I yet do shaman when you go upon this. Now, suppose one person do how many people. Ma one kasa who knew him. Bob bra papa. And could see here for. Got to go for Buto.
You're training.
You're training, never one kasa who bar for ye. The time Bible say we die daily, we die daily. O queen, the beer, oh, okay, so they say the beer, woo, ma Christo. Who to who Brasil, I don't who bar for ye, ma Christo. And tell it as of open for a quotation on one kind. And you have to here for the bonny bill. And for the bonny and the adin, I did bono. One casa found who bar for ye. And then, oh, Obi a more for a movie. Obi a more for a movie, Obi a bonnet bra. And the anti, you back Chris or Sumua. A quite fast way, Nessica or Chris or Sumuno. A suffering chateau. Who can ask after 4 now? Just see corner or say, woman, you know, who share one. Obi and Cassaway media, will be Cassaway media. Oh, now, Obia and watching Sabre and Ubu upon the fee. I woke a soul in tea. Oh, and you know, or say, a bit more was as a crack of 20 standing by. When in G, I sending me answer to the a benefit is kind of about so no more.
Tinacha say, O Christo did ye. And yes, Uma only a hot channel.
Debbie,
and yes, on Kwan would be
eventually a theatre at Amazon from Kwan or to a repre. Member now, Codin Scacra, out of your COVID-19, I like German Cofu. A mark collapse. I often see you will not call you tight. You will not call you tight because tight in the show and then will be also fence.
They say, I do baby cry not mobile money ye, Jumanti.
And that's here, Juma. And that's here, Juma. From day one, maybe day one. Fair dinner, I say now. Now, me who say go for the tight card, now, house to house. Almost security letters. I remember, I saw who was a woman near Yimpen for more area, more coach tight card, was it. And the next Monday, penny who all lines of it will be out the mobile money at the Atuja. Tight, that's an offering.
Okay. Then Tina say, Utia tighter, a broad way to hell.
They tell a broad way to hell, no. In the first place, so over kind of crowd. Wow, shame you to tight. Bible said you obey be a chemuten, but oh, Miss Row, for no 2 young coupon you. What me ye? One wash a bow. One wash a boss said you obey be able to tight. Obey you to do, they can what me ye. Second one, I shall. One, I didn't know, Obia or dinner. So we have a factory. Okay, be good, ampa, a good year will be so already. Would you be able to better on what you pay? Only me, now as I know so. Now, or better on what you pay, and you're poor now. So be your market and say, 100 million, Mamma, Miss Gamewa. Then you're cloning our bone. Because my uncle and Cosubio, Mewa. A man in Cosubio said, when a Cosubio now per se, would you do the area chrono? And to tell you, Babu Nancasano. I couldn't really. Babu said, as if we didn't ask a son. Now I say, one more no mobile woo, no more get tight. I didn't try. Oh, yeah, we are. Oh, no, we are no, we have a name. But was he yes, because of the dear? Yes, we'll woo ye. Or the home bar for race you hold my. And now, of course, I didn't go down a course or one. What you hold my old demay. And you old demay or the book job for it would demay. Yes, she is Shiana. And so, oh, it will be tight and you over for it. So went mamma for him. So when time found one for a boy now, and one will be a bonny, no one will be a bonny. I didn't go and shell. And he said, it's a weird my managing director, and that's a one country with Uncle Gisco will be honest for Cocogia wedding.
Chrono, what bonnet?
Chrono, and Chrono in your Broadway to hell. Chrono in your Broadway to hell. Okay, you're talking me, no. One a share was soft one. Soft one, oh. O shares of years or more for ye. And for more mean, Uncle Pon, my boy. I for you. Oh, more for ye. Enfo mo no Nyankopɔn o da de no wo so fo awudi no wo so fo awudi no afore ba na wo bo ho na frɛ wo se bra na wo kɔta ase ne bo afore ma ho na hye wo se wo ye nyina asofukuo holy priesthood wo ta se ye nyina asofukuo obi afa no ho mu afore na afia de na akɔdwo obi enya kro no se wo che wo sora no pa na se wo che 10 tenses ma wo nkɔda na se obi fa kire so ono wo fa kire kɔgye nkɔda no nkitwa no okɔkɔgye wo mu de bi kan de wo enya kro no enya Broadway to hell but enya Broadway to hell ndi asofo ne kan pastor ka tell me say kro no ya na so ye mo biska na wo kokɔ unua no nyina mo biska ye nyina ye priesthood mebo ha asiafo no de na wo se hwɛ ye bi fukura mpo no se lewini to no lewini kɔtɔ na sase na sabe tadi tua wo ho no man ka lewini be kɔtɔ na sase onya sase ne wo he Acts chapter 4 on kan free 28 eko no nkosi de wie no hwe enna na Ananias kɔtɔn ne de na woti bi no tachi ankara Ananias nke ankobewu
Sɔfo Gofinti
papa
then na o ka de etwa to wi ase itio hwemu na ka kyerɛ
dia ye ka kyerɛ wi ase nyina ne sɛ Kristo sum aya Yesu Kristo na so na woti se emfa sum no so obi amafɔre ema ne ho on hye obia da se obi nkotua tight ema obi nse okotua tight na de am obi a se ya ade ya che de krampa Yakobon ka se for tent ko che no ade wa na wayi wadwuma ana oyiwe so bi be che wade a wache wade so on che wade a na se wo se o ka che ne so Yakobon se won twa dudududu a wa bo nipa no kro no wo san so atiatua e wo Yakobon so ba ko no de to so mienu obi asori a o se nyame afrɛ mi se onyame frɛ o de asɛm hye wa no Yakobon ofrɛ we Paul no nyere bɔne ani o sa ne kɔfo kan e de obi ya anroba o se massacre o sakra dana no aye sɔfo Paul no he had a zeal of God so obesu Yakobon no won tia ahwafo no de na se enti awari Yesu yi ne ho di kyerɛ o se meni Yesu no na afi de wate ase ana obesum Yesu se oyewe enti enum no akyerɛ sɛ onu Yakobon afrɛ ne de bibia hyɛ ne nsa o se kodi mi ho adanse mo kodi mi ho adanse aye adwuma enye helping people Christosum nye helping people aye adwuma ye na se Yesu ba obefa ya kosoro rapture no Acts chapter 4 verse 13 to 18 se wali yo se enu ho adwuma na o se yenye pacha otie se si aye ohoi obi se waso daye oso daye no okọ so Yakobon so metua tight o ka so meji tight so o ka so metua o se meji tight so ti betu o se meji tight so ti ko tua tight fine o ba ye no wo hwe Bible mu ehunu se eyewe Bible say me anya honhom nyina ne so ye se fi Yakobon mu ana meboa eteni na wo tie ye no then na wo so bia wo koye no wo ko Yakobon kuro anso ko Satan ne kuro nifa na wo koye anso na ka nti se obi ka ye se kokum ame ana kokuno nto wo koye na wo se kuro ne kokum ame aka wa be kuno so ka be ka se ne nye Bible mu asemu a obi afa se wonya ne ye nipa de tight no wo se ene na di bia wo soro mfensen oboa
exclusively with Sɔfo Gofinti media ni CK subscribe to television CK Akram
television CK YouTube musha subscribe na yes adete YouTube musha subscribe dey je fe wati o ba logo ankole machine again gege mo fi an o ba logo